Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, on the latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Usne says it with her own mouth, you guys, ukuthi she lied about uMakhumalo. She lied about all those things she said about uMakhumalo on the podcast. Now we see her going to uMakhumalo and having a conversation, or rather offering an apology to uMakhumalo, saying ukuthi yazi ma angazi ukuthi bengenwe yini. I'm just like, yazi usne, guys. People were out here busy saying ukuthi yazi usne would not just lie about uMakhumalo, benomangwabe nje kanjalo. That means ukuthi vele bakhohlakele. Like there were so many things that were said about those two wives because of the lies that usne did. And there she is, guys, offering a half-baked apologies because uMakhumalo asked usne ukuthi, like, give me a reason ukuthi what was going on. Like, why would you just go and speak things like that? Usne doesn't even give a reason, and in her diary session she's like, bandla angithanda ukukhazana nezinto, like saying ukuthi she doesn't like explaining things. I'm like, now khoke usne esimaziyo. That is the snare that we know. Usne will offer an apology, you guys, a half-baked apology with no accountability, and then proceed to do the same thing the next season or the next year. So that's why uMakhumalo, or rather I understood when uMakhumalo was asking Usne what has changed now. But ke uMakhumalo, having a good heart, she accepts the apology kasne because uzothini. Because I mean, if ingane izoxolisa kuwena, like, you can't say you're not taking the apology, you guys. That would have just been a bit cold, to be quite honest. But anyway, all I'm waiting for, guys, is to see the scene where Usne goes and apologize to uMangwabe, because uMangwabe is the one person who won't take that apology, you guys. And I know for sure Usne, the way in a pride in a corner, I don't see her going to Polisa to uMangwabe, you guys. Now, there's something that I did say when Uthando and Zesthembu was playing, and I was saying by Usne angaphilela abantu, because one thing about the public, there will be people who don't like uMakhumalo, who will be telling Usne, yes, ne vele ukhohlakele uMakhumalo and whatnot. And when you will be bumping yourself based on the public's comments, knowing that it's not true. Whereas at the end of the day, I'll pilisani with the public, you guys. She is living with uMakhumalo. If anything happens to her father, here is uMakhumalo, probably one of the wives who will assist or open up her door to her. So I was saying, Usne must not allow the public to bump her, or allow the public to make her feel as if she's got wings when it comes to speaking about her father's wives. Because tomorrow, when she needs help, who is she going to run to? These wives. So even if, guys, they were doing something sinister to her, I just don't think it was the right move to go around speaking about them like that. But anyway, Snesizobona Ngawe, over to you, my dear. Let's just hope all us disappointing and not repeat the same thing again. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me, what did you think of Usne's apology? Do you think it was sincere or not? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.